Namar makwa kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan niap.
Kiri upop sudah. Kimdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Suam mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kwa ban niap bak cing dum.
Ndam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka Jilla Meghalaya kan sa sedang no ya ka Special Intensive Revision hadian baka Election Commission of India kelapan mi ya ka simpan bana. Chief Electoral Officer ka Jilla Dr. BDR Tiwari Kajingkeran bakelap thai khubor ula kentui ke sang partai baken thungno yaki boot level agent ki banyarap lang yaki boot level officer khanang bakajing penrung kerteng hak electoral roll yaki nong song snong kajela kan long kabiai bet yai denti.
Accordingly, Meghalaya is also covered in this phase of SIR, and the date concerned with the SIR exercise in Meghalaya or the qualifying date of SIR in state will be 1st October 2026. For the preparation, training and printing of enumeration forms etc. the timeline is from 20th June to 29th of June. House to house visit by BLOs, the schedule will be from 30th June 2026 to 29th July 2026. And rationalization of polling station will happen on that last day by 29th July 2026. And draft roll will be published on the 5th August. And period for filing of claim and objection will be from 5th August 2026 to 4th September 2026. And notice phase including disposal of claim and objection will continue from the 5th August 2026 till 3rd October 2026, and final roll will be published after completion of the exercise on the 7th October 2026. So this is the detailed schedule, and accordingly the necessary preparatory exercise already been taken up earlier as per the instruction of Honorable Election Commission of India, and state of Meghalaya is ready for the conduct of special intensive revision in our state as per the schedule provided by Honorable Commission. And we had a round of discussion and meeting with the all political parties of the state schedule, and the needful procedure of SIR has already been briefed, and all the queries concerned raised by political parties that is also been addressed. We requested them for appointment of the booth level agents from their end, and we are expecting positive response from the political parties, because booth level agents are also very much important stakeholder at the grassroots level to work in each part polling station along with the BLOs, so to maintain the transparency, and we are fully committed to keep this entire SIR exercise transparent, free, fair, and make our electoral roll healthy and error-free.
What are the documents needed to prove that when somebody comes for a sale?
Basically, there will be the enumeration phase. So in the enumeration phase, the house listing operation, no additional document will be required. But there are the 4 categories of the voters. If we see ki, electors whose names are registered in the voter list of 2005, so such electors are required to submit only the relevant part of the extract of that year's voter list along with the enumeration form. And another category whose names are not found in the 2005 voter list and who were born in India before 1st July 1987, So such electors are required to submit only self document along with the enumeration form. One of the self document, there are the 11 such document already the list been provided by Election Commission of India. So the other category will be the electors who were born between 1st July 1987 and December 2nd December 2004, and whose mother and father's name is not registered in that voter list. So such electors are required to submit the self document and document of either their mother or father along with the enumeration form. And another category, the electors who were born after the December 2004 and whose mothers and fathers name are not registered in that year's voter list. Such electors are required to submit the self document, mother document and father document along with the enumeration form. So all the voter list is already uploaded and it is in the public domain as on the 1/1/2005. So, and the mapping exercise also compared to present updated electoral roll is being taken up with the previous one, and more than 68% mapping exercise already completed in the state. So around 16,14,000 voters out of 23,44,000 already been mapped with the previous SIR, our e-roll, and remaining mapping exercise could not find. Then all the necessary document and preparatory work are being taken up.
How important is the birth certificate, because there are many rural villages where people, they give birth at home, many may not have also the birth
So
certificate.
there are birth certificate is not only one document. Okay. There are certain they might have the SC, ST, OBC certificates also. There might be passport, and there are certain other list of the documents are there. So ration card might be there. So they can produce any document, and if they already mapped and then extract of the voter list, mother, father, everything. So I don't think there will be any major problem in respect to the documents in the state.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.